What's up, bros and ghouls? Today I'm doing a face paint tutorial for the AEW superstar Darby Allin. If you guys don't hit like and subscribe, I'm sending Darby to personally deliver a coffin drop. After shaving the sides of my head to achieve the appropriate hair, I applied Mehron Classic White to the top of my hair using a large powder brush. I lightly coated the hair and applied a dusting to the sides as well, which was buzzed down to a clipper length. Then using Mehron Classic Yellow, I added some color throughout the hair to try to achieve a bleached appearance. It wasn't spot on, but a lot easier than trying to bleach my hair at home. Next I applied Mehron Classic White with a medium foundation brush. Start in the center and dab the white out into the face in a soft painterly style. A great thing about this look is it's only half the face and you could probably finish it in 10 minutes to half an hour. Leave the skin exposed around the eye and the ear. Next, using a medium liner brush, I applied Mehron Classic Black to create the nasal cavity and all the organic line work across the half skull. This includes the suggestion of teeth and the eye socket, which is done in a really loose organic style. Nothing about this look is clean or symmetrical, so just have fun with it. Extend the smile lines where the lips come together and evenly space out the vertical teeth lines using the width of your liner brush. Follow the natural contour of the eye socket, but don't overthink it. The shape bleeds outside of the normal edge. Once the eye was filled in with black, I used a medium foundation brush to buff out and clean up some of the areas of white. Then I moved down to the neck and applied some white. Using a tissue and some water, lightly dab black across the whole neck again in a soft painterly style. Just lightly dabbing with the tissue. Go back in with a brush for any areas you want to be bolder or more intense. Then use a makeup sponge to soften and blend the harsh areas together. Carry the black up from the neck, over the ear, and into the ear. Apply black to each side of the neck, leaving white in the middle to mildly suggest the vertebrae in the center. Apply more black with additional water over the forehead, smudging and softening the original layer of paint. Use your liner brush to extend and finish off the teeth lines. Define the edge with more black against the ear. Next, I redefine the edge of the design and around the teeth with white just to bump up the contrast. As a final step, I applied black to the corner of the eye socket and swept up towards the temple. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other makeup tutorials. For anything in this tutorial, including Darby's costume, just hit up the video description. Thanks for watching.